Begin by caramelizing finely chopped onions without oil. Once caramelized, add oil and fry the onions until they are golden brown. Then add the shrimp and sauté over high heat. Add the spices listed in the description and sauté. Next, add the tomato paste and sauté for a while. Then add cinnamon sticks, green peppers, cayenne pepper, garlic, chopped cilantro, and chopped dill. Add a pinch of salt and sauté. Remove 3/4 of the mixture from the pot and set aside. Sauté the remaining mixture with pre-soaked rice for a few minutes. Add some chopped cilantro and sauté again. Then add some water, Omani lemon juice, and salt. Allow the water to evaporate completely. Once the rice is cooked and fluffy, pour the shrimp mixture on top. Let it simmer on low heat for 45 minutes until cooked through. Serve in a serving dish and garnish with lemon wedges. Enjoy your meal.